Hey Starseeds, welcome back to Irene the Cocoa Queen. So today we're going to be making a Greek olive bread. Now, for those of you who checked out the video that I uploaded last week, it was on Greek olive bread, but guys, I had to delete the video because I made a couple of mistakes and I only want the best for you, so I'm doing it again today. I promise you guys are gonna love this recipe. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe because I am here every single week, freeing all beings, one recipe at a time together. So let's get in the kitchen and let me show you how to make this amazing Greek olive bread. So to a bowl, you're going to add in 1 3/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. Today I'm using my juicer to juice these amazing oranges. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry about it. You can just use a hand juicer. Once that's done, you're going to add in 1 2/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Up next, you're going to add in 3 cups of Kalamata olives. That's what I'm using today. You can use any kind of black olives that you desire. And once that's done, you're going to add in 3 cups of freshly chopped mint leaves, okay? You can add in coriander leaves if you don't like mint, or also you can add in some fresh oregano leaves, so it's up to you. Once you've placed 3 cups of herbs into the bowl, now it's time to add in 2 cups of chopped onions, plus 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and you're gonna mix all that up until nicely combined, and then you're gonna set it aside. So set that aside. Into another bowl, you're going to add in 1 kilo of white flour. Now I'm using organic white flour today. And to that, you're going to add in 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and you're just going to mix that up with a spoon. Now all that's left to do is marry the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So you're going to pour all of that goodness into the flour mixture, and then you're going to mix it up with your hands. So you're just gonna put your hands in there and you're going to mix all the ingredients together until you get bread, a dough actually. All that's left to do now is to a 12-inch round baking form, you're going to add in some parchment paper, and then you're just going to place your dough inside and just with your hands lightly press down so that it's evenly distributed. Once that's done, you're going to pop it in the oven for about 55 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and that's it. Okay guys, so this recipe is super delicious. The savory Greek olive bread is going to impress you, I'm telling you. I really love to eat this for breakfast, or it also makes for a really great on-the-go snack. The combination of the olives and the onions and the fresh herbs are really satisfying, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love this recipe. Okay guys, so if you liked the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe because I am here every single week, freeing all beings, one recipe at a time together. So I'll see you guys next time for the next recipe.